Hello my loves and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this look right here. I recently had my hair curled in super tight curls with really long extensions for a cute little maternity shoot that I did at home, and a lot of you guys have been asking me for a tutorial on that, and even though I have done one on short hair and medium length hair, which I'll have linked down below in the description box, you guys really wanted to see how I did it with my longer extensions, so I thought I would sit down and share that with you guys now. If you would like to see how I achieved this look, then just keep watching. So here's a look at my hair before extensions, and this is the set that I'm going to be using. I'm wearing the 160 gram 20-inch Sunkissed highlights set from Foxy Locks, and I like to clip them in section by section. If you would like to see how I clip in my hair extensions, I will have that video linked down below in the description box for you. And for the curling wand, I am using the 19mm, I believe, barrel from Numi. And I'm just going to go in and I'm going to wrap my hair around the curling wand section by section, and each section I'm going to switch the direction that the curl is going in. So one section is going to go away from my face, and then the next section is going to go towards my face, and you're just going to switch back and forth, working your way all the way up as you're clipping in your hair extensions. So I just skipped through to the top of my head so we can get through all of that stuff. And you want to make sure that you're not brushing out your curls as you're curling through your hair. You want them to kind of cool and set in their tight curl setting. And then I'm going to gently take my fingers and run them through my hair, and I do like to part my hair to the side with this, so I just kind of pull one side over so it's a little bit messy and kind of undone, effortless, throw your hair to the side kind of look, and that is it. And that is it. That is all I do to create this look. Now, keep in mind, this does take a really long time. Like, I've been curling my hair for the last hour or so. So this is not a 5-minute, quickly get ready, curl my hair kind of hairstyle. This is the kind of hairstyle that you do need to take the time to sit down and do if you want to achieve like perfect voluminous curls. You can also add hairspray and tease it a little bit if you want to add some extra volume, or if your hair is not very good at holding a curl. My hair is really good at holding a curl, so I never usually use hairspray or worry about any of that stuff. So that is it, and this will pretty much last me the rest of the week until I wash my hair, which is kind of cool, I guess you could say. So if you guys have any questions, let me know down below in the comment section below, and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye!